How to edit videos on new Youcut. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily edit the videos on your Youcut application. So first thing, make sure you have downloaded the application from Play Store by simply searching in the Play Store with the word Youcut itself, as you can see, like this. And once you successfully download it, you can see here I've successfully downloaded it, and simply click on OK, and it will show you interface like this. Simply proceed, simply click any of the videos like this, and simply click next arrow icon over here. And as you can see, you can also trim it like this. It's similar to CapCut, and it's actually a lot more easier than CapCut as well. And you have lots of features to crop like this, and to create opaque object opacity like this, to copy the icon, split it videos like this, to undo the button, and everything else like this. You can also rotate your screen as your particular required a degree like this. Let me just hit over here. You can also freeze it. You can use different filter like this. You can also change your speed. You can also trim it from the beginning to the end. So that's exactly how you edit your video and save it on your according to your resolution choice on your device. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.